mark your calendars. My website relaunches February 2nd with new products. You can't expect to have a business and want people to support you and you don't support others. Like, where they do that? And it is so pretty. Like, hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today I just have a tiny vlog for you guys. I ordered from one of the small businesses that I love to support. I'm a business owner and I still support other business owners because that's what it's about. Like, you can't expect to have a business and want people to support you and you don't support others. Like, where they do that? No. So I have a package from Ari J Cosmetics. I love Ari J. She's one of my inspirations for starting my cosmetics business, and I love her because when I first launched in November of 2020, she supported my business and I'm just so happy. So I always love her stuff, so I always support when I can. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what I got. So this is the box that it comes in. I was trying to hide my address, but yeah, this is the box that it comes in, just a little white box. I'm just trying to conceal my address. So let me open it down here so I get into my business. So this is it. As you can see, she has wrapping paper that has her signature on it, which I think is really cute. And it has a nice little card that says, thank you, hey babe, thank you, so cute. And then on the back it has a note. I think this is a general note, but it's written in script and it looks like it's personalized. So I think that's a nice little touch to put on your thank you cards for your business if you have one. It's packaged very well so things can you know, not get messed up that don't need to get messed up. So this is a glance at some of the things I got. She also sells cosmetics, so that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Just because someone else sells the same thing you sell, it still doesn't mean that you cannot support them. Like, just saying. I just got some lip gloss pigment. And these are some of the ones that I use already, but she was having a sale. So I'm like, you know what? Let me grab them from her because I think I have these colors already and I need to stock up on them. So I'm like, all right, she had a sale and I snatched these up. I got eyebrow pencil. I needed an eyebrow pencil because I go through those really fast. Like right now I don't have any makeup on my face. I just have jojoba oil on my face and I have my lip gloss. I'll show you a little bit later. This is my newest one. It's not out yet, guys. Mark your calendars. My website relaunches February 2nd with new products. I am so excited to share them with you. The website is still going to be up and I have some items that are on sale and all of my items are available, but they're going to be new items and a new look to my website. So yeah, this is my Cranberry Craze that I have on right now. I'll show you it a little bit later, but yeah. So I got this eyebrow pencil. Let me open it. I like the way it comes in this pink box, and this is her logo right here that says Ari J Cosmetics. So it's so cute, and of course it's pink, so who doesn't love pink? You guys know I love pink. I'm like obsessed with pink. I want everything to be pink. Okay, so this is so cute. I bought eyebrow pencils from her before, but she went through rebranding, so now she has a new logo and it says Ari J Cosmetics. So this is black and then her logo is in pink and white, and this is the pencil. So I'll definitely be doing makeup looks with this. I've done lots of makeup looks with her stuff in it. If you watch my get ready with me video, I think it was, I'll link it in the cards here. You'll see me using her stuff. So next thing I got was, trying to drop this box. So this is a lip liner. Duh, it says lip liner right there. So it comes in this box, and this was her first logo. It was just in script, and that's how my logo is, like what you see right there, Kharyzma for you in script. I love those kind of logos. I bought two of these, so let me see if we'll find the other one. Yeah, I bought 2 of the lip liners. One of them, it doesn't say the color on it, but I should be able to see by here. This is a dark brown. And I needed some lip liners, guys. I'm gonna be selling lip liners on my site. Not just yet. I have to find a lip liner vendor. Okay, so this is the mauve, because you can tell by the color here. And this is the dark brown. So I got those, and again, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial probably soon, so I'll definitely show these in the makeup. And you guys know I'm very minimal with makeup. I just literally started getting into makeup over the last few years, like during COVID, I would say. And my makeup is usually very basic. I just know basic everyday makeup, but I'm learning, and you guys are gonna be learning with me. This is the eyeshadow palette that I wanted. It's so colorful and pretty. It looks like a dream. Like, OMG, it says Ari J Cosmetics. I think I can't remember. I'll put the name of it. Please excuse me because I'm not remembering the names of the palette, but this palette does have a name. You guys saw me use her Fall Days palette and her Falling Lights palette. This is the such and such palette. I'm gonna put the caption here. Please excuse me, I don't remember. Maybe if I find my packing slip, then it is so pretty. Like, I saw it online, but it's different when you see it in person. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Because look, it's like a blush pink that's sparkly around, and then this is Elevate Dream. I think this palette has something to do with dreams. I can definitely tell because of the way it looks. Like, this looks dreamy, it looks cloudy, it looks girly, like it looks like a dream. So I'm pretty sure dreams is in the name of this palette. So it has the purple, which is Destiny, Believe, Prosper, Star Days, Essence. Yeah, I think this is Luxe, Star Days, Essence, Prosper, Believe, Destiny, Pillow Talk, Dream, Elevate. This is so pretty. I'm so happy I got this. I really am. So far, this is the 3rd palette of hers that I have, I think. Yeah, it's the 3rd one. So it's so pretty. I'm always happy to support Ari J. But yeah, guys, I love it. Again, you can check. I'll leave the link for her website in the description. Ari J Cosmetics. She is awesome. She also sells lip gloss as well. So, and her lip glosses are really, really good. Again, these are the things that I got. My lip liners, my eyebrow pencil, some pigments for lip gloss, and this beautiful eyeshadow palette, which I can't wait to do a makeup look with. Okay guys, so let me show you my Cranberry Craze. I really like this. I made this a while ago, like about a few weeks ago, and now that's what I like to do, is wait and then get back to it and test it out to see. And I'm like, I really like this. I love the smell of it. And then it's a dark red, like it's cranberry. So this is a new red that I have, and this is what it's looking like. I already had some on my list, but I want you to see. And with the wand tubes, it's harder to get the gloss than it is with the squeeze tubes. Like, you see, but you see it right there. But it's really, really thick, very moisturizing, and just a tint of color. It's not like really, really darkly pigmented, but I will have some, as months go by, I'm gonna be adding some, you know, highly pigmented glosses. But right now my glosses are really simple. Simple, just like this, for the simple everyday girl that just likes to look pretty, smell nice, you know, have some popping lip gloss to just, no dry lips. It's not sticky. So yeah, check this out. This will be available February 2nd, and that's at kharyzmaforyou.com. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and share the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can receive all of my uploads. Follow me on Instagram. The information will be right here. Check out my website and my Etsy shop. The information will be right here. My Etsy shop sells hair accessories, satin bonnets, satin scarves, hair things like that. That's gonna go under a revamp too, but I gotta take care of my cosmetics first, and then I'll get to that. But yeah, see you guys soon. Don't forget to mark your calendars, February 2nd for the CharyzmaForYou.com relaunch. I love you. Bye-bye.